Morning fam. Some mornings it's not just stiffness, it's heaviness. Like your hips are holding emotion your mind hasn't processed yet, but you don't have to carry that into today. Let's hit the mat. Start in a tabletop position. Bring your right knee forward and angle it toward your right wrist. Extend your left leg behind you, resting the top of your foot on the ground. Now fold forward, slowly letting your chest melt toward the floor. This isn't just a stretch, this is emotional release. I promise, pigeon pose helps release tight glutes, relieves lower back pressure, and taps into deep stored tension in the hips. Beginners, place a cushion or block under your hip if you feel uneven. Advanced switches, bring the shin more parallel to the front of the mat for a deeper stretch. Here's a wild truth. Your hips are one of the most emotion-storing areas of the body. Let's breathe that tension out now. 5 more seconds, then we mirror it. Now bring the left knee forward and slide your right leg straight behind you. Settle in, let gravity do the work. Notice how the side feels completely different. That's not just physical, it's a reflection of your lived experience. I promise, the side opens up access to flexibility, stability, and ease in your stride. Beginners, don't push, support yourself and breathe. Advanced switches, try walking your hands even further forward as your hips soften. Quick challenge. Take one deep breath and try to sink 1 inch lower. Now, slowly rise up because we're going into a move that will rotate the hip joint in a way you probably haven't explored today. Sit on the floor with both knees bent and feet wider than hip width. Gently let both knees drop toward one side, then switch back and forth like windshield wipers. Most people forget internal rotation, and that's why their hips stay locked. I promise, this improves joint health, reduces injury risk, and makes all other hip stretches more effective. Beginners, move slowly with your hands behind you. Advanced stretches, keep the chest tall and go hands-free. Did you know lack of hip mobility can affect digestion and even posture? Keep rotating, 5 more seconds, and now we lengthen. Stand up, step your feet wide apart, toes slightly turned in. Now hinge forward at the hips, and slowly reach both hands towards your toes. Let your head hang, sway side to side if you need to. This move blends hamstring release with spinal decompression. I promise, this reduces lower back tightness, lengthens the posterior chain, and brings blood flow back to the brain. Beginners, bend the knees slightly. Advanced stretches, reach your opposite ankles or bring hands to the floor. Feel that pull behind your knees. That's your body waking up. Hold 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Step 1 foot forward into a low lunge, back knee on the floor, reach arms up, hold for a breath, then switch. Alternate sides every few seconds. This is your final charge up. I promise this will boost blood flow, opens your hip flexors, and kickstarts circulation through your entire lower body. Beginners, keep hands on the knee for support. Advanced stretches, add a twist toward the front knee for a deeper release. Can you give each side 3 deep breaths without rushing? You're not just stretching, you're shifting into presence. Now take one final inhale, But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.